Hi guys, I am Fyaden from howtomakequickmoney.com. I am going to show you how to make quick money by writing articles. Can you write 400 information-packed words? If you can, you'll make money online writing articles. I know many writers measure creating a good full-time financial gain of over 6 figures a year, simply from writing from 1 to 10 articles daily. You'll make love too. But first, let's examine why articles square measure thus in style online. How do folks make money online with articles? Articles are a type of advertising, in order that they create money by causation traffic to an internet website. The additional content a website has, as well as articles, the additional traffic the positioning can get, and therefore the additional sales the positioning can create. So many businesses online, from the tiniest one-woman look, to firms, want and purchase content, within the type of articles. Once you get associate degree, a consumer buys articles from you. He can usually need you to put in writing 20 or additional articles over the course of a month. This can be associate degree ongoing financial gain for you. How does one get started? Get started by writing 5 articles as samples. These articles show your style. You'll need to as certain that you just will write. Post these articles to a blogger diary, and add title hire main to write note. Next, get your first purchasers. You'll get them from the outsourcing sites, or by approaching firms directly. Your first purchasers square measure necessary as a result of they're going to provide you with testimonials. Thus don't be concerned concerning the fees you charge for these initial articles. Every testimonial is value money to you. As a result of the testimonials, build up your name. A small tip: if you're taking on a gradual consumer as results of the articles you are writing for testimonials, do not keep writing for low pay. Charge associate degree inflated rate. As your expertise will increase, thus can your rates. To get more information about making money online, visit us on howtomakequickmoney.com, or click on the link below in the description. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.